Hey everyone, what's going on? Why, Vey, what are we doing? Possibly shorting? Hmm, I don't think so, dude. Don't think so, man. The short right now looks kind of risky, to be honest. I took a few trades yesterday off stream after like last night. Did okay, did decent. How's the music level? Is that okay? Like this right now? I wish I would have stayed in my short overnight though. I was going to enter again. Would be up almost 3% now on that one. What do you do? What can you do? Not my eyes hurt from looking at these numbers. Yeah, the short okay is not it's not that great right now. Oh, okay, good morning. How's it going? Good. Thumbs up, yes. All right, I'm going to catch up on chat while I drink my tea. Morning, Clayton, Ari. Yeah, 2 videos coming out today. So at noon, my time, I've got 2 videos coming out. It was only going to be 1 video. All right, it was only supposed to be 1 video today coming out, but it did it. I actually freaking did it. I stayed up till like 2 in the morning. I was up at like 5, going on 3 hours of sleep. Actually, it wasn't 2. It was like 1. So that's a lie. It was like 4 hours of sleep. I was maybe like 4.5 hours of sleep actually. And I got it done. Yeah, 2 videos coming out today. So really, really good. Basically puts us a full weekend ahead of schedule. And next week we're doing this again on Wednesday. So we're going to be 2 weeks ahead of schedule in terms of Butterfly Effect release. So you guys will have 2 extra weeks, 2 bonus weeks. There's a lot of work, but it's done. How much did I make trading yesterday? Almost 3 grand. 3 grand. I don't know. Not just like whatever. Hello traders. Good morning. Good morning. We close the breakout. Close. Can't wait for Friday. What's Friday? I have plans for Friday, but I haven't talked about them yet. What's Friday? Which course after FOT? Blueprint. Blueprint and MAE. Future of Trading before Blueprint, by the way. Future of Trading first. King Dolphin. Butterfly is BE. So when people say BE, that's Butterfly Effect. MA is Mental Analysis Evolved. MAE. Dude, Bitcoin is like stone cold one price right now. Push to 49K. Yeah, possible. Definitely possible. Or 52. Yeah, a lot of people trade Forex with my stuff. Blueprint is procedural analysis, execution layer of trading. Instrumental for the stream? Which one? The open or the one? Right now I'm just listening to like royalty free lo-fi. Is in the building. What's up? Mental analysis evolved. Good morning rituals. I do. Yep, I do actually. How would you be? Yep. Oh no, it was a long, dude, not a short. A long. Did I say short? I meant long. No. So I'm looking for a short right now, is what I was saying. And then yesterday I was taking some trades and I was in a long yesterday. And I could have got re-entry. And I wish I did. I wish I took it. Ooh, let's go. Yep. Appreciate you. Thanks, Coin Trooper. Massively polarized? No, not right now. Just BTC USDT perp, not BTC pairs. Yeah, I got perfect entry yesterday on one trade. Took a full percent and a bit off of it, so it was like $3,000 in profits, and it came back right down to entry. And I was gonna enter again, but I was in the pool with my kid. It was around 7 p.m. last night, something like that, if memory serves me right. I was in the pool with my kid, so I was like, well, it's important to like to be present in the moment. So I didn't like. Binance is dead. Like really, like right. Binance is dead for you guys too, right? Like my Binance is cooked. It's fried. It's gone. It's not even working. What the f is going on with Binance again? Again, Binance is cooked. Like 10 candles it didn't load. Have to refresh. Frustrating. I was like, no wonder Binance isn't moving. My screen's frozen. Video on options. I will get into options one day. Yeah, I was gonna take the re-entry yesterday on Bitcoin when it came down and retested the level, and I didn't take it. I wish I would have, and I wish I was still in it because Bitcoin definitely looks like it's breaking up right now, or at least trying to break up. It could dump for sure, but I've been using Binance since it first got released. There's been nothing but problems. Every browser I've tried, even like altering the JavaScript on some of it and the code on some of it to make it work properly, like running my own, and it still doesn't work. There's local fixes that you can do, but it still doesn't work. It's terrible. The integration is with TradingView is awful. Where do you think to migrate? Nowhere. I'll stay on Binance. BTC hourly origin? No. No origin levels right now. You're only 15? I'm pretty sure you have to be 18 to trade. I don't know. Dude, you have to check your own laws and stuff like that. I have no idea. Whatever the legal age is when you should start. You lost $300 from a short position it put you in the Binance app. The Binance app is pretty wonky. It's not coded that great. Honestly, the coding on the Binance app is pretty horrible. Create your own exchange. We'll join. Done. Cotton trades. I'll create my own exchange and I'll put all the levels on it. That'd be a badass idea for an exchange, wouldn't it? You have an exchange run by somebody who knows what they're doing with coding, and then you have like a master trader like me just marking my levels on it, and then you can just like flick on cotton levels or not. And if you decide to take those trades, that's cool. But it's like, oh, this is where I'd be looking. Dude, that would be badass. That would be a badass exchange. Use CoinPanel and people can follow your trades. No thanks, dude. I'm not fucking trading for other people. No thanks. Absolutely not, dude. First off, I wouldn't use some no name exchange. What even is CoinPanel, dude? I'm gonna Google this. I would never. CoinPanel is the most reliable crypto trading bot in the world. I'm done. I don't need to look any further. Read the first opening sentence. I'm good. I'm good. F that, dude. Okay, I'll open the website. First thing I see, I'm in love with this app. Thank you. Basically, it allows me to trade efficiently. It works really well. Try free. Oh boy. How would you even trade on such like, okay, so this is an app, it's not an exchange, I guess. No thanks. No thank you. Binance is all sorts of messed up, dude. I don't know how much, like I've said this on Twitter before, like how much money do they need to actually develop a proper functioning exchange? I don't know. I don't think that number is out there because they can't do it yet, and they probably make billions of dollars. You know what I actually find really surprising, guys? What I find extremely shocking is that, okay, here it is. You know how gambling streams, they pay streamers like ridiculous amounts of money to host like I know Trainwrecks gets like 30 grand an hour, 40 grand an hour. Like I think XQC, I don't know how much these guys get. I'm just guessing from what I've heard and what I've been told. XQC gets like 60K an hour, just like an hour. So if they play like a 10-hour stream, it's like 600,000, like $500,000 to do one stream. I'm surprised exchanges don't take this approach. Imagine being like XQC when he's doing gambling streams, and not only do they pay him like a few $1,000,000 up front, imagine getting like 600K or 500K a day just to gamble on stream, because that's what they pay per their hourly pay. Or like Trainwrecks, he gambles like 12 hours a day or something crazy. I don't know how much he gambles, but every time I see the guy streaming, he's gambling. So it's like he must gamble 10 hours a day. They pay him like 30-40K an hour to gamble, and they give him money to gamble if he wants. I think he uses his own balance. I think he's using his own money. But he's got something like a $1.7 million bankroll on there. Something crazy. I know it's a 7-figure amount. I don't know how much it is. I think it's around $2 million, but I don't know. But imagine streaming like 6 days a week, like 10 hours a day, getting paid $30,000 an hour to stream gambling. Like, holy shit, you know how much money that is? Imagine clearing. It's like $1 million a week you're clearing. Like, imagine that, dude. That's so crazy. I'm surprised exchanges don't take the same approach where they're offering streamers big, huge chunks of money to trade on their sites. It's actually surprising to me that they don't do that. I think they're kind of behind the ball on that one. 1 million a month trade. He's making more than 1 million a month from gambling streams. He's making a lot more than that. Now you're sitting behind the stream buzzing. Nice, man. Can you show us why we're not at a 15-minute origin? I can just tell you we're not that way. I don't have to show why something that's not true doesn't exist. Easy. I took a trade here yesterday. I took the trade here and at 300 sold right up here, and then I was gonna take the rebuy here on the 15. Yeah, see, this was right around 7 p.m. because I was in the pool with my kid when this happened. It was like 7:15, something like that. I was like, I don't want to stop family time to go trade, whatever. But if I was around, I would have taken it because it's quite simple, just a 15-minute hold. Like and it held for like 45 minutes. A very, very easy trade. And then, you know, very easy 100x. And my sell would have been right up here at 2.5% because it would have been back here. So it was a pretty easy trade. Unfortunately, lost like 6 or 7 grand not taking this, but that's okay. I don't really care. I took this for like 3 grand. I took this little move right here. This was like 3 grand right here I took out of this. So that was good. And then this one here I missed. So yeah, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do, man? Go Gamba. That's what you do. This is where we live today. I don't know if we're getting out of the house today, but we're in this little part of the move. No, origin levels aren't important in the scope of the move right now. That's always the challenge with trading, is understanding what information is relevant and not, because we have like 50 tools we can use. 50 tools to dissect what's happening. So Friday is going to be fun because I just found out yesterday, I think if I read it correctly, Diablo 2 comes out Friday for people who pre-purchase. Always family over money. Yeah. Okay to miss a 6K trade. Doesn't matter, dude. The money in the markets is easy. If I really cared about the money in the markets that much, I wouldn't be here trading. Or I would be here trading, not streaming. I think my average income per stream was like $32. Maybe like 30 bucks. I think it went up from like 28 to 32 this last week. So, I mean, if I cared that much, I just wouldn't stream. I don't stream. That's not why I stream. Level got front run. God damn it, I missed my trade. Oh my god. How much did I miss this by? Like $12? Yeah, that's a rip. Okay, trade comes off the books. Oh, that sucks, dude. I hate being front run, man. Okay, maybe the trade's gonna break anyways. I'm taking my trade off the books now. Not taking it. At this point, you'd be at like 735. I think it's 735 you'd be at now. I haven't checked the second level, but oh, sorry, shit, wrong screen. I believe the next level is 735. I won't take it. I haven't done enough prep work. I only did prep work for this right here. I was busy getting videos out this morning. I'll just try to see if this thing breaks up and take that trade. Dude, can you get the trade off the books? Binance, what's wrong, dude? It almost spiked me into a second trade because the thing is lagging. It's not taking my trade off. It's not polarized, dude. That's not polarity. I was busy all week with the rest of school, but man, you were right about BTC going down to 44.6 XX. Wow. Yep. I missed my trade by a few dollars on that one too. That was painful. I missed my trade here. Where was it? 44,660 I think it went to. Yeah, I missed my trade by like $15. Or not even. I was at 52, I believe. I was like right here. Like 50. No, I think it was 54 I was at. I was right here. I was so pissed off. I was so pissed off when that happened. Too many people starting to know the science. I wouldn't take this anymore. I'm leaving it up, but I wouldn't take it. Actually, it's not even here. It's actually a little higher. Like right here-ish. I wouldn't take it. No, I wouldn't take it. ADA flying? Yeah. Yeah, everything's going to be flying right now. Bitcoin's cranking. I also wouldn't take 35 either, but 35 can reject the level. It can reject the move. There's something much more important happening right now. It can reject it, but I wouldn't take this. I wouldn't take either of these right now. You got front run by like millicents. Yeah, that happens, dude. I freaking hate that. Happens. Super keen. I think it comes out Friday, early access for those who repurchased it. Because I want to hit it on the dot, Merc. I'm pretty anal about my trades. Doing this a long time, I'd rather miss a trade than have to adjust my expectations. I have a very specific way I do things, so I'd rather miss trades. It goes into a very deep butterfly effect to conversation, which, you know, I won't be having, but it does go into a very deep butterfly 2 conversation. So my first order here was at 38, and I took my 38 off. If this is the one, dude, I swear, because that one actually might have filled. Because the top price was 42. So 42, I had my order. Where did I have my order? It was like 38, I believe. No, I actually wouldn't have gotten filled. It was at 46. I actually would have missed this again by $4. Dude, oh, if this dumps, then I would have. It's okay. I took the order off anyways. At that point, I would have missed this again. I was actually, what you see on my screen is exactly where I had my buy. Just luck of the draw. So I actually would have missed this again by like $4. But I don't think this is a smart trade. Hope you're having a good one. You too, man. You switch time frames or a setting to make the stream stay in part. Annoying to have to scroll over. Is there a setting? No, there's a way to do it. I forget. I've gotten used to. You can click the auto button and it'll take you to the front of the chart. Like if you're somewhere over here, you just click this auto button. It just takes you to like the center of the chart. You kind of just get used to their little quips on the exchange. Lowest time frame with data points depends. Sometimes not. Yeah, so Friday I'm gonna be streaming late because Diablo launches at 10 a.m. So I'm probably starting the stream at like 9:30, and I'm gonna be playing Diablo 2 on Friday. I talk about that in videos. Warren, probably butterfly effect stuff that's not released yet. But what's Bitcoin doing right now? Yeah, I really wish I would have taken that re-entry last night. Okay, Bitcoin. I need to mark up my other chart here. Almost 50K is what it looks like. Yeah. Close. Whoa, what the hell? Almost 50K. But it looks like it's going to. Couple spots you could take. Yeah, it looks like 49 and change. Almost 50 actually. Closer to 50 than 49. Can it ever be 51 too? No. It's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be an interesting attack of the next set of levels, that's for sure. Yeah, I mean, you've got weekly stuff that you can go after, but I don't feel like it's going after weekly. Nah, not yet. Nope, 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 nope. Close to 50. That's all I'm saying. All I'm saying is close to 50. Would you miss everything? I gave away 100K in Bitcoin, $1,000 to every person in the stream, and then a big 75K giveaway. I would never use Bitcoin dominance chart. It's a waste of time. It'll make you lose money. Bitcoin dominance is about as useless of a chart as they come. No, there's the level. I don't think it's holding though, but be amazed if it be amazed if it does. Let me say that. I'll be astonished if this holds. It can pull off 735. It can. It can rip to 735 and yoink down, but again, I don't think that's a smart trade at this point. I won't use BTC dominance, man. I can, so I can get my 1K. What's up, Queen? Yeah, I would not use this. Matter of fact, I'm taking it off. If this holds, it holds, but I don't think it's going to. If this holds, I swear to God. If this holds, I'm fucking done, dude. It's like, I cannot do it. It's not gonna hold. It's not gonna hold. It's such a stupid level. It's gonna hold. It's not gonna do it. Guarantee it's not gonna do it. Guaranteed. Mortgage the house, toss the long. It's not holding. I'm kidding. Don't do that. This is a terrible fucking long right now. But I don't think this is holding, dude. There's no way. I'll laugh so hard if this shit little level holds, because it can. The thing is, this can actually create distribution long term this level, which is ridiculously stupid that it would test it this many times this close to it and hold, just because of the type of level it is. I'm not going to talk about that, but it's really dumb. It's really fucking dumb. Like, I gotta not release butterfly effect too, because crap like this is happening in my world. Crap like this is happening, and like, I know why it's happening. Stupid. Fucking so stupid, man. Yeah. This was the long from yesterday. This was the long. This was a long right here from yesterday. The 15-minute holding for 45 minutes straight like this is pretty crazy, especially when you test and ladder off like that. It's crazy. And then even you hold what's not even a real 15. I think this was a 5 that it held. was watching it. Yeah, it's a 5-minute that it held right here. Because I was watching it. Like I was with my son in the pool when this happened, and I was like, I was thinking about entering here, and I'm like, well, I should have entered earlier because it hit the other 5-minute, which is also holding the 15, right? So then it hit this, which is, well, this was actually already tested, and then it holds above the 5. So it was a pretty straightforward trade. It's, guys, the top, this I don't think this is gonna hold. If it does, that's so cooked out of its mind, but I don't think so. I really was considering a short here, but I just don't think it's gonna hold. But yeah, took this yesterday. Took this part of it. This was the big blunder. Not getting in on this 15-minute right here is like terrible. It's fine. It's fine. It happens. But yeah. Like this can pull back a little bit down. Don't think this is gonna hold the move if it pulls back. It can pull back and keep attacking this level. This is like long-term distribution you're buying here, but it's like a long-term short you set up here. I don't think it's gonna work. I don't see it working out. Again, the reasons I will talk about, I just don't think it's a smart short. And it's not about a smart short. There's just other reasons here, other things going on. I can see the future. We're gonna go to like high 49s, and then we're gonna come back, retest 48, and then dump. Bitcoin, don't you dare. Don't you dare, dude. Don't you dare. Don't do it, Bitcoin. I swear to God, if I remove my short here, I swear to God, don't do it, Bitcoin. It's fine. It can come back down into this range test and then move back up again. But this is getting a little worrisome because this was like a really good short that I took it off. Yeah, just hold this. It's like a spicy re-entry. Look at this. This is like the perfect scalp trade from here to here. And then you just, all the big players, they just get in shorts here, big fat ones, and then exit here. Just take $1,000 if you're 2,500 1x and 100x, and you just get out. Although that's not what you should do, but that's what I'm hoping happens, and then we crush. I'm not in any trades. I just don't want to have been right and missed my opportunity to short this sucker. Come on, dude. Just freaking hold, man. It's not holding. It's fine. It's still holding. It's still holding the move. It's going to use this to attack the level again. I'm starting to get itchy. This is not good. But in FOT, I talk about dominance. BTC dominant. Don't use it. Use this. It's garbage. Don't do it. What does he mean? Wayne? No. You gotta watch the videos, man. You gotta watch my YouTube videos. You want that kind of accuracy? You gotta watch the videos. Kali isn't looking too good. What's wrong with Kali right now? No, BTC, don't dump. I really wish I was in a long right now because the chance that Bitcoin rips like another 15% is pretty high. Wait, what happened? What was announced 2-3 days ago? What are you guys on about? I missed something in chat. You guys need to fill me in. If you nail this again, I'm done. When do I make? I talk about that in Butterfly Effect, scalp to position trades. I do talk about that. Did you miss anything? Watching a trade. Had a short set here. Took it off the books. Crying to myself right now because this might have been the trade. Can't wait for the dump. The whole Reddit. The whole squadron, dude. The whole squadron. Yeah. You're talking about the Rona? More lockdown? Yeah. I mean, new variants and such. This is the new world we live in. I've been saying this for a long time. Biological threats aren't going away. Like now, you will be releasing BE2? Probably. If I do, it'll be free. I can tell you that. My deal with my community is I got to keep growing. If I don't grow, then I don't release it, and I'll just go back to trading one day. If I keep growing and the word of what I'm doing keeps spreading, and I keep growing, like, you know, there's a lot of money to be made in the markets, and I give that up to help others. So, you know, I've got to grow to continue that path. I hear that deers have COVID now. That's crazy. Yeah, just be safe is my only thing to say with Corona. Just be safe. Just be safe. That's all. I don't really keep up with too much of it because, like, I live in my house anyways. My world is just here. Like, my world is in front of these screens. Like, I don't do anything outside of my house. So it's not like I get it. I get that everybody has all these different takes about it, but for me, really, it doesn't phase me. I just kind of, like, they tell me to get vaxxed, I get vaxxed. I want to protect myself. I don't really care about anything else. Like, it's just like, dude, I go there in a muscle shirt, put my arms out, 4 nurses, bang, 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 bang. All that's like, I'm so vaccinated, dude. Half my blood cells are vaxxed. Like, they've morphed. No, I'm kidding. I don't do it like that, but no, I got vaxxed. It's like, whatever. But I'm not working at a job downtown. I'm not playing sports. I'm not a part of any social clubs. Like, even if I wasn't vaxxed, I would be perfectly safe. I pick up my groceries on a curb. Like, I order my groceries. I don't know. I think people take the COVID thing pretty seriously, and luckily I don't have to, because I stay in my world. But I think this way that I'm living, I think, is realistic for our future. Not only because of biological threats, but just because the digital era is here, and, like, human beings are getting more and more. Like I've said this so many times on the stream, human beings are getting more and more segregated, and we will continue to get segregated as we colonize into other planets, and we have to find different solutions for living. Imagine when you're on spaceships and you're sitting in a little prison cell on a spaceship. Like, your whole entire existence is going to be out in space, and you're going to be in a little box, and your whole world, like, you're going to be Fifth Element, dude. You're going to be Corbin Dallas. You might not be a bounty hunter, but, you know, you could pretend to be one. You do some cosplay bounty hunter shit. Lilu Dallas, Corbin Dallas, multipass. I just think this is a reality for our future. So, I don't really have a take on it. I'm vaxxed to protect myself. I don't really even think I need it, because I just sit at home. And I think this is like a reality about our future. So, I mean, I think it's a good shift that people are getting used to biological threats and living a more segregated life, because this is the digital era. That's how it is now. When I was 21, I was going to clubs, like, constantly. Well, that was short-lived, because I actually only went to clubs for like maybe a year or two, and then it got very infrequent because I was so focused on success and school and things like that. So, I don't know, man. I don't know. I have no take on vax. Get it if you want to protect yourself. Don't get it if you don't believe in it. Whatever you decide. I just think this idea of living a segregated life, for me, that's more of like the thing people aren't aware of is what COVID is doing to societies. Which, to be fair, is actually what should be happening anyways, because we are in a digital era. So, I don't know. That's just the way I think about it, and I think I'm pretty bang on about that. You a good dancer, Cotton? I don't know. Maybe. I have no idea. It looks like I'm dancing all day long when I drink coffee, because I can't stop shaking so hard because I drink so much coffee. So, I mean, maybe that's a metric for my dancing skills. What's that, like tick popping, where you, like, you're a popper, like popping and locking, but you're doing like tick popping? Yeah, I can do that real good, dude. And you just fucking coffee up all day. I already do that. I got a lot of practice there. People are getting tired of dealing with other people's crap on a daily. Fuck off, dude. Don't dump off this level, please. I know it can, and this is going to be like a huge pullback if it does. Oh, I'm just starting. It's starting. Don't fucking do it, man. 15 right now. If I took this trade off, I'm going to be so rattled. Already 70% is not bad, actually pretty decent. So I don't know. Like, I think one of the things that's going to happen is this is going to take all the businesses in the world, and this is not a great thing for some people, but it's just a normal part of evolution. All the ma and pa shops will go away. They'll be refocused into more artisan takes, higher angles. Like, I think the businesses that get hit the worst are the ma and pa shops, because the ma and pa shops rely, and they're great. Like, get burgers from your favorite Greek joint or whatever ma and pa shop you like that have been in business for like 30, 40 years. Most of these businesses will be affected because their customer base is a reoccurring customer. It's not a new customer. A new customer turns into a customer that's going to be there for the next 10 years. Like my favorite pizza place, dude, I order pizza from there once a week now. They're so good. It's so amazing, the pizza they make. But like, if I had to go there to get it, I wouldn't be a customer anymore. They just, thankfully they have delivery, right? But I think a lot of these ma and pa shops, unfortunately, like one-man shops, might have done really well all their life, and there might be nothing wrong with their business model, except that they have unfortunately got hit with the new era of what's happening. Franchises, do they continue to succeed? Some do, some don't. Artisan shops become a new thing. Unique items that you can only get in one place, and more of a digital lifestyle, honestly. Like, I mean, that's the way our world is turning. So I think one of those things is you're going to see in 5 years, 10 years even, the unhidden truth about COVID, what it really did to the world, and how it's shutting down all these businesses and kind of taking us out of a dinosaur age. All the mom and pop shops will go, which isn't great, but I mean, it's evolution, right? Because now people are looking at more creating online incomes and online careers, and I think that's one of the things about COVID people don't realize, is that it's intrinsically changing something that they don't see right now. You go to clubs with the drinks in the base. I don't want to be bothered. You put your head on the speaker and go deaf. Yeah. It's evolution. Yeah, it is. It really is. It's taking all this. It forces people to change. Like, it's forcing us to change as human beings, and this is a needed change, because we're already, like, look how much space exploration has been done. All of a sudden, like, the world got bored. We got pent up. All of a sudden, everybody's making spaceships. Everybody's going to space. Like, we will colonize other planets. You would be out of your mind to think that's not going to happen. You think about Star Trek. I'm not saying tomorrow. I'm saying one day, and we're avidly making steps towards that on a daily basis. We're putting people in space. Billionaires are going in space. In 5 years, it'll be more accessible. Like, I know a teacher who paid 50 grand, and she's got a ticket. She's a university professor. She's got a ticket. She's like number 90 or 79 or 97, something like that, to go up in space on this one shuttle. And she's just like an average income person. This will become more and more accessible to people. And we will eventually, and I'm not saying tomorrow, but we will be putting people in space. And even if only a small percentage of the population goes, imagine this for a second, okay? We're talking about, oh, people are going to space. Cotton, that's like 50, 60, 70 years away. Yeah, maybe before the general public goes into space, and people are actually going back and forth, and we're colonizing planets, we're sending bacteria to create oxygen domes on planets, and we're colonizing so that we can actually put a footprint there, right? That's what I'm talking about. Oh, Cotton, that's not going to happen for 60, 70 years. Yeah, you're right. It probably is going to be a while. But what happens when the 1% is on spaceships, and you all of a sudden on your TikTok feed, on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, on Twitch, on YouTube, you start seeing like space content. Oh, we're in space today. Imagine the shift in people's minds that's going to happen when they start seeing, oh, my favorite content creators in space. That's kind of cool. Imagine the shift that's going to happen there, because they are influencing that segregated life. So say Mr. Beast, for example. Everybody knows who Mr. Beast is. Or if you don't, or like Jake Paul, whoever, I don't know. Pick famous YouTuber X, right? Imagine he goes to space. Okay, he's there for like a year. He's not going to stop making content. He's going to make space content. then everybody's going to be interested in space because space is trending, and then it'll influence more people to want to do this. And then so it's like a snowball effect, right? Because it's the cool. Like this is the snowball effect. Just the 1 minute level right now. That's it. I don't think the 1 minute's going to hold. Like I said, I don't think this level's going to hold. That would have been a pretty sick scalp, but yeah, it's up a little. That I didn't take that, but it's okay. I think the move's breaking up still. You see what I mean? So I don't know. I think COVID is like giving, like we're you can see it as the preset to making that shift mentally. People are already starting to get used to living inside, living indoors, doing things virtually, remotely, picking up groceries, not having as much human contact. But this is evolution. This is natural. So I don't know. And there's other diseases that are breaking out, like life-threatening diseases that are worse than COVID, that are breaking out right now in other countries. Now, this is just what I read in the news. I'm not 100% certain about that. But from what I've read, there's other like life-threatening diseases that are breaking out in other countries. So I don't think COVID is like the end of it. I'm not a scientist, a biologist, a virologist. I don't know what the virus people are called. No opinion, no take, other than I do read in the news that, you know, there are other infections out there that are starting to come to life. And that's to say if the news is even reporting the truth. What happened? Yeah. Your kid used all your channel points on random people? That sucks. Thanks for the 100 bits. Thank you so much, Queen. Well, I like day trading so much because it's a career where we can mend our own path. We can create our own universe. It's why I'm such a fan of day trading as one of the pillars going forward as a career. Like I think eventually day trading will lead to a complete restructuring of the financial markets completely. And you'll have day traders running financial markets instead of the way it is now. Like my personal opinion on this is that we get really good day traders in this world. You see a shift in terms of investing in day trading, and take your local banker at whatever, like RBC or BMO or TD Bank or whatever bank you use, Bank of America, whatever investors they have, right? What's some of the other ones? Amero something. Just think about how they have investors there, and these are people that they've trained how to use a system. Replace all those people in banking with privatized day traders who run companies, and you could pick now between, do I go to my bank? Do I go to my bank who is promising me like whatever 7% a year, or do I go to a day trader who has a huge company? So let's just call this DT Inc., Day Traders Inc. It's like a big company like your bank, right? DT Inc., Day Traders Incorporated. Sure, whatever, that sounds good. Do I go here for 7%, or am I now going here? Because these will be like the options in the future, and these people will run the financial markets in the future, and these people will go away. All these fundamentalists, all this stuff here where they just learning a system, you go on Google, research company values, that shit will go away, because this is controlled. This is not financial analysis. Fundamental analysis is not like a controlled way to increase capital. It's just like this lottery ticket boomer style. Hitting that level again. I don't think it's gonna stop the move. This is a lottery ticket boomer style control. This is the future. Day traders who actually can make companies who have proven track records and can say like, hey, what's your goal? Oh, my goal is to retire. Yeah, sure. You want to make your 7% through your bank? We can still do that, but we guarantee like 4 or 5 times the results. What's your goal? Oh, I got like $3,000 and I just want to like make it as much as I can. I want you to do like heavy Bitcoin investing. Okay, there's risk there. We do it safe. We do it controlled. And maybe we can get you like 40, 50% growth this year. And then we can compound that and make a strategy where we take that and turn it into like this next year and then next year. So like this will run the world, because day traders can do everything banks can do with their fundamental analysis. Like anything you can do with fundamental analysis here, anything a banker can do with fundamental analysis, this guy can do the same thing, but he can buy like 99% cheaper to give you like thousands of percentages of more gains. So they can still create like a saving system for you with relatively safe trades. Like go look at Wildcard, for example. Where's Wildcard? I think it's WDD. Oh, I have it on my list somewhere. It's like, it's okay. I'll just look at the price. I don't even remember tickers by name. I remember them by price. Where the fuck is Wildcard, dude? I swear it's called Wildcard. Not ale. No, it's around that like 30-cent mark. Renova. WDI. Here we go. Wildcard. Like, here you go. Here's a relatively safe trade that you would buy here, and if it breaks this, you get out at almost no losses. And that day trader who wants to invest your money would just have like 50 different coins or stocks like Wildcard, and the one that executes they would buy, and they don't even care because it's all about technical. Nobody gives a shit about the fundamentals of Wildcard. Gonna hit this level, is gonna create trend, you're gonna buy this level, and when this trend breaks, you get out, and you can maybe even get out in small profits, and you get out in minuscule losses. Even if it doesn't hold this level, it'll come here, it'll bounce, come back up to this, and then you can exit anyways. And this is like the perfect investment strategy, because then they can just hold this and you can make your X percentage on it. And you have like a list of 50 different things like Wildcard, where you can just take investment positions based on long-term success. You could even maybe do it right now off the ladder. Like if this continues to hold, it's been holding for 3 weeks. If it continues to hold, and so you can have some stocks diversed into like, okay, it's right here. Imagine like when you go to a bank and you invest and something drops and you're like, oh, don't worry, it'll bounce back up. Like fucking banks are buying like here because they don't give a shit. They just take your money and that day they slam it in and they're like, oh, you signed up on January 18th. Slam it in January 18th. No, that's stupid, man. What if January 18th is right here? Oh, look, January 18th right there. What if that's this? And then it's like, oh, don't worry, it'll come back up. So their losses are compromised of like, oh, we only put 10% of your portfolio in this. So no worries, you lost 20%, you're down 20%, but it's only 10% of your portfolio. So it's really only down 2%. Such a fucking dumb way to look at trading. When you could just buy here and the risk becomes what? Bounce off this level for 5%, and you've bought more stock anyway, so you buy 20% more with less risk. So why couldn't day traders just make like an investing company? Or you could even buy 25% more if you wait for this level. You could even just buy now and you're buying 20% more than you would have here. And then you just have a list of 50 different stocks that you have like a day trading investment fundamental analysis strategy based on, but it all stems from day trading. So I don't know. I think day trading as a career is so powerful in our futures. Actually so powerful. Such a change that people are going to see in the markets and the way things are done. Because I'm telling you guys, investing like the way they do fundamental analysis, fucking boomer. We're going to look back at these people in 10 years even, like not even that long from now. We're going to look back in like 10, 15 years and be like, yeah, grandpa used to just buy random stocks hoping they would go up in 20 years. Fucking lottery ticket. Like, what? I've said this so many times. It's fucking boomer, man. It's so boomer take. It's not even funny. Might as well just go buy lottery tickets. At least you don't have to wait 8 years to see if you win. You can just lose all your money now. Oh, but it's more stable. Well, then invest with technicals, and that's even more stable. Yeah, here's that 735 I talked about earlier. So 735 is the next one that can pull it back. I took this off, but anybody who was watching said the 735 would be the next one, right? So that's it right there. You got this, you've got this. Let's see. Let's see if she cranks. This would have been the one I would have tried to take down here if it had moved up more. I'll catch up on chat. Give me the long term? I don't know about long term. We're going to see soon. Honestly, so crazy. Never thought something like this would happen in my lifetime. Which one? COVID? Confused? Yeah, I agree. It's crazy. $50K the goal for BE2? No, God, no. I don't know what the goal is. 500, a million? I don't know. I haven't set a goal yet. I just play it day by day. Just a lot of mess. Yeah, I don't know. I'm happy that we can. I'm happy that we, as our community, can just live our life and do our thing the way we do it, and not have to worry about this stuff. Yeah. there's such a left and right approach on this. I don't even care to. It doesn't matter to me. My data and my sciences are what matters to me. I let that world out there exist where it exists, because the reality is I live in my house pretty much. And if I'm not in my house, I'm in my car. So I naturally stay away from people. How many lessons will there actually be have? So it has 76 right now. So we have 76 to be released on YouTube, and there's going to end up being like another 60 or so. Bro has some big house. I do have a big house. Yeah, it's like 6,000 square feet. Yeah, my house is pretty big. Be day trade on Mars. Guys, even Elon's trading, and he's already Spaceman. Even Spaceman's already trading. Don't you guys follow the news? He's buying Bitcoin. He's already trading, guys. Like, it's already happening before your eyes. Spaceman is already doing it. So Spaceman is doing it. We've all got to do it. Just follow Spaceman. He'll lead us through. Multipass. Yep. So I do think you guys said there's like mental health adjustments in the world. I do think that's true. I don't have an opinion on it. But I do think it's probably a problem that's happening because of all the isolation. I'm gonna be triggered. It's dumping. You quit 3 months ago to become a day trader. Right on, man. So what did you used to sell? You're in automobile sales, or like a private dealership, sell everything, or did you work for a specific? Like, did you sell a certain brand? Kira says it's evolution. I agree, Kira. I agree completely. Forced evolution. I mean, it was already happening. This just made people be aware of it. Those who are ahead of the ball and who are ahead of the cusp, like, already saw it. I'm valued as day trading trade for the world. Oh, this one again. Where's the IG tag for that one? Trading is wealth building tool, so you can devote your money into ventures that weren't possible. The income from day trading? True. Hasn't some rapper just bought a planet like an actual planet? I don't think. No, I don't. If somebody did, that doesn't matter. You can't own a planet. I don't care how much money you have. You can't own a planet. Like, you can't, dude. That's not real. You better hire like all the bodyguards, dude. Like, every bodyguard start building like space defense, lasers. Like, you better like missiles. Like, yeah, that's not. He bought a plane. Who did he buy it from? Nobody owns them. So like, what did he buy it from? NASA? Like, what? You can't buy planets. You might think you own it, but that doesn't mean you do. Like, what did you do? Get a lawyer to draft up a ownership document and be like, well, I paid this amount of money to this person. There's the transfer of ownership. Nobody owns planets. Nobody even owns Earth. Earth can't be owned. Even our planet right now, nobody owns it. Think of it like this. You have a planet, people lease. Like, okay, so that's the planet's outer ring. This is like maybe, I don't know, 2 feet. So this second circle, it just represents like 2 feet away from the first circle. People basically lease this. So your house is built on this layer, right? Your house is built here. This is the dirt under the ground, like 2 feet of dirt. People basically rent 1 foot of soil. That's, or lease 1 foot of soil. Nobody owns any of this. So like the planet, the actual amount of the planet that's owned, rented, or leased by people, like inside of this circle is where like 95% of the planet is. Nobody owns anything in here. Nobody. People basically just like lease 1 to 2 feet down, and they can own that like little plot right there. That's it. That's it. You're thinking the same way as big think tanks that publish material on the matter. That's pretty good, but thick book expands on this. Called The Sovereign Individual, not be confused with Sovereign Citizen. I've heard of The Sovereign Citizen. It's bleak sounding to me, but interesting nonetheless. Very cool. Musk is OG. Musk is like, yeah. He's an actual god, dude. Like, actual god. They're channel specific queen. I was gonna mention that. Fundamentals of foundation. Incorrect. But you're welcome to your opinion. Yeah, if you want good scalping tips, watch my courses, dude. I have crazy amounts. Wirecard, yeah, Wirecard took a huge dump. Fundamentals don't matter. Fundamentals don't mean anything. They mean some things to some people, but if you're talking about making money in the markets, it's one of the most least efficient ways to do it. That's the way to think about it. Doesn't mean you can't make money on indicators. Doesn't mean you can't make money on fundamental analysis. It's just so inefficient. It becomes, it's like building a house with mud and stone. They used to build houses with mud and stone back in like, what, like 300 BC? 2,500 years ago, and even longer, like 3,000 years ago, probably even longer. They were building houses with wet mud and stone and sticks. They also built houses with rope and tree branches. Doesn't mean it's an effective way to do it now. That's the way to look at like indicators, fundamental. No, I would actually disagree with indicators. Indicators are pretty useless overall, but that's how I would look at fundamental analysis. I would just trade Bitcoin. Sleepy. And the earth is flat here, hung. Nice. Amazing drawings. I know, dude. I always have Photoshop hotkeyed in case you guys really like my drawings. I can quickly hotkey it, no downtime, get it up ASAP. Tail up trying to move. Really? Let's go take a look at that. I wouldn't say that yet. Trying, yeah, okay, it's trying. I would agree with that statement. It's trying. I would say just wouldn't say it's moving up yet, though. I would agree with that statement that it's trying. In crypto and in stocks, it all means nothing. It's the most inferior way you can imagine trading. This is an interesting question Zoe asked. Imagine you could buy cotton stock that guarantees you right to 50% of streaming profits. How much would you pay? There's a number you can calculate. That's interesting. I'm sure there's a number you can calculate for sure, but yeah, that's a cool thought though, right? Like streamers as a stock. I do think that's a cool thought. You can make a full-time income from fundamental trading, much like you can make a full-time income from buying Powerball lottery tickets once a week. Yeah, if you hit once, you got a fucking averaged income of how much dollars per week for sure, dude. I love that. FA can be used to find coins? No. Benjamin Cohen? I have not. Is he like one of the Cohen brothers? The Cohen, like the movie directors? I'm pretty sure that's not who it is. The only Cohen I know about is the Cohen brothers. He's a YouTuber, from what I googled. Yeah, no, don't know. Love the Coen Bros. Yeah, they make amazing movies. Just use NFT to represent streamers. Anyone can set one up. That's what BitClout was, but it was a complete scam. Sure, dude, I could take a look at it. What is it? MNK? Malin Pro DT? Oh, this? But it's not this, right? It's not this. It's Malin Crow. It's this one. Which might be the same stock. Oh, apparently I've looked at this. When the hell did I look at this? So this would have been back like early this year that I would have looked at it. So I would have said it needed to hold this out as like a weekly or something maybe. Actually, I would have looked at this way back in the day then. Yeah, I would have looked at this back in December. I would honestly just go for the lowest part of the move at this point. Like here, you've already held the this looks like it might be the daily, weekly. Yeah, you already held the weekly here, and you're testing that weekly again. I would just go for lower in the move at this point. It looks like you're just backtesting the weekly for a second time. So it looks like the trade actually already happened. You've already tested this part of the move. Now you're testing this. So it looks like the trade already happened. Possibly you could rebuy a trend entry, but I wouldn't really trust trend right here. I'd love to say you could try to get this, but I don't think that's reasonable anymore. You could go for this if you're going to go for anything. Hope that holds in trend and trend stays. That's about the only thing you can do at this point if you're not already in the trade, because it's already going to try to stabilize off this. So yeah, I think a little too late, man. How soon ago did this happen? This just happened this morning. F me. This happened like not that long ago. Within the hour. Oh, F me, man. This is about all you can hope for, and you hope it holds. But it's a decent entry, actually. It's actually not bad. Yeah, if this holds, it's pretty decent. I'll add this to the list, man. You know what? I'll watch this one for you. This looks like a pretty cool chart. This one, right? Yes. I'll add this and watch it, like purple listed. This is a pretty cool stock, man. Good suggestion. We'll put it right under NKLA. We'll perp it. We'll put it under NKLA and we'll read it. We'll read it. I use Binance, but I think Binance has a long ways to go before it becomes a good exchange. But I do use Binance and would recommend Binance, just because of reasons of price accuracy. Here's that 35 level. Like I said, I don't think it's holding. Benjamin Cowell, just another call out group. Yeah, sounds like crap. Glad you like that. Yeah, man, that was a pretty cool take. Like, really? Really, man? Really? This level's gonna hold? That's a nasty dump. That's a nasty part of him. I don't think it's holding. I'm pretty sure this is gonna, like, whatever dump this is, I'm pretty sure it's gonna reject. COV? I hate to leave Bitcoin right now, but okay, what's the COV name? Because there's a lot of COV in here. What if I do it how you typed it? Yeah, there's a lot of COV in here. I'm not sure which COV. Type out the name and I'll take a look. It's probably this. There's a couple here. TLM, it's a new coin. you talking about this, like TLM USDT? If Bitcoin's going up, it'll go up. That's my take. I don't have a take on new coins. I don't have a take on altcoins. If Bitcoin's moving up, altcoins will move up. If you want to know what I like, can somebody alts maybe? I don't remember. Yeah, there you go. If you want to see my opinion on altcoins and how to work them, check out that IG link. I would always diverse matter because nobody knows what's happening with legislation with Bitcoin and taxation. So it's good to be prepared. But I mean, you can really trade anything. It doesn't matter. Stocks, Forex, like Forex stocks, commodities, crypto. None of it is random, Warren Buffett. None of it is random. How do you think I'm nailing things like this right here and this right here earlier? And then, you know, this bounce right here. Like none of this is random. It's just understanding what it means at a deeper level is a pretty big journey. Or say like the 15-minute level down here, like when to use a 15-minute level. Like this is a perfect entry. Look at that move up, and then it's constant. There's a reason why it bounces here. I missed my trade by a few dollars, just fine. There's nothing in this market is random. It's all an exact science. Nothing at all. How I can nail this stuff. Like this bottom down here, I nailed it within $3. $2 actually. 244 was my call out. And look at Bitcoin now. Same, like nothing is random, dude. Nothing is random. I do this stuff live every day. None of it is random. It's kind of like an ongoing joke how accurate I am. And this giveaway end of the month. Tomato? What the hell is tomato? Yeah, I wouldn't touch this. Too new of a coin. Too new of a stock. I would not touch this. Yeah, I would not touch this. I don't like trading new stocks. They're way too... Let it stabilize. Sushi on Binance. Just if Bitcoin's moving up on alts, it's moving up. It doesn't matter tops or bottoms. It doesn't matter. If Bitcoin's moving down, it'll find a new bottom. If Bitcoin's moving up, that'll be its bottom. This really has nothing to do with it having a bottom or top. Cove BTC is a crypto. Oh yeah, no, I wouldn't look at Cove BTC. It's just, again, Bitcoin's moving up, alts are moving up. How long till we get that knowledge? How many BE videos? There's lots. There's a lot. There's still like 40 Butterfly Effect 1 videos, and there's like another 60 I need to record. And another course after that. Like there's a lot I need to share with the world still. Let's go through our list. It's already 8:30. Let's go through our list. I wanted to play Apex today until I found out Diablo was coming out on Friday. Now I don't care about Apex. I have it downloaded. I ran through the tutorial real quick. I'll play Apex today. I said I would play Apex. I'll play a game or two of Apex. It's going to be terrible. You guys are going to watch Wooden League Gaming, but that's okay. Maybe I'll even pick up a weapon. Oil is so good. Gold bounced off trend like a freaking G. Oh, what a sexy, sexy trend. We're on a game of Hearts. I'm going to get through this quick. I'm going to be watching Bitcoin because I am looking to take a short on Bitcoin, just not yet. We forgot our commodity screen, but we won't forget our Forex screen. DXY still trying to move up, laddering down slightly. Okay, not a big deal. Quickly hammer over to stocks. Just keeping my finger on the pulse of all this stuff that's happening. The Briva looks like it's trying to break down. But if it keeps holding this 106, oh man. It needs like another 2 weeks to hold. But if it does, oof. It'd be a pretty nasty move. TVFM still looks like it's moving down. And moving down, surprising. Oh, and TX hopefully breaking down. I want to get on OTX. Clove is starting to look pretty decent. Clove is actually looking really good. Yeah, Wildcard went bankrupt, so they had like this big, crazy move in price, right? from $110, and they filed bankruptcy, lost like all of it. So they must not be officially delisted. The company must still be alive, trying to work through bankruptcy hearings, I'm assuming, or bankruptcy proceedings. Something about probably Wildcard would be trying to stabilize their company, because it's still there. So it's not, you know, they're not officially, they're in like what's legally called like a freeze out right now, or pre-wind up freezing of the company, or they'd be like pre-wind up. So the company isn't officially, I'm assuming that's what's happening. I don't know, but I'm assuming, just looking at the chart, I'm assuming they're in freeze up period right now. And they're pre-wind up, and wind up is the dissolution of the company and the splitting of the shares. Or did that already happen? Did the company already, so they declared bankruptcy, but they're still in business? That's what this looks like, right? So they're in like a freeze right now. They're in what's called a freeze out, where assets are frozen and nobody's doing anything, and probably stocks are being sold private market right now, like this on the markets. I'm assuming that's what is happening. Do I have a small workout? Lately I haven't been, but typically that's my normal routine, yes. Series of accounting scandals that resulted in the insolvency of Wirecard. Really? So it actually has proceeded through a wind up. Like is it legally, has it done a wind up? Wirecard has trials about fraud, but is the company completely dissolved, or is it in a freeze out? Series scandal, a series of accounting scandals that resulted in the insolvency. So the board disbanded, and the company's still an active company. Like that's really the silver lining, right? Like, is the company still an active company, or is the company wound up? Because an insolvency could be the releasing of shareholders, and it could be one person who still owns the company, still technically an active company. Collapsed on June 25th. June 25th. Owing creditors more than 3.5 billion. Sophisticated global fraud. Jesus. What the hell happened to Wirecard? So the company's still active. That's why it's still listed. Yeah, so it is still an operational company. Interesting. So they've probably, like how I was saying it, Wirecard has probably it's still an active company and it's still operational. It's just that probably the board has been dissolved, shareholders have been let go, so there's still some form of activity in Wildcard. It's not gone. Continuation is in the best interest of the company's creditors. So this could be for taxation that they're doing this. So I'm not going to talk about why they could be doing this, other than it could be taxation, that it's in everybody's best interest that they continue operations, so that people have the ability to at least recover losses to a certain point. So they are still operational. Interesting. Cool. Not that any of that stuff means anything. I wonder if you could see the collapse of this before. The shit went down to 30 cents, spiked to $1. Like, so what had happened on the charts before that? Let's take a look. Oh, this shit had been laddering down for an infinity. Look at this ladder on this thing. Like, I wonder if you could even find the trend. Yeah, right there. Talk about accurate. Guys, like, I don't know what to tell you about wildcard other than, like, this is kind of the writings on the wall, isn't it? Like, I could really take you guys through this chart, but I mean, like, the writings on the wall. Any stock company, like, so you could start here. The weekly ladders it. I'm sure it has micro ladders prior to the weekly being set. Like, you can mark this as purple so that we can understand that it's a weekly. This right here is the daily. The daily holds the move, creates the weekly top, right? Daily rejects there, creates a weekly here in the future. Weekly holds. I'm wondering if there's, come on. There's the next daily that ladders the move to here. There's the next daily off the trend and daily together that ladders the move. This is the back side, would have been right here on the weekly, which gives you this daily right here. That holds the move. This then moves to here, which is the back side. That holds the move. Like, I don't know. This is pretty straightforward to me. All the meanwhile, it's losing its bigger move. Like, I don't know. It's pretty straightforward to me. Like, it's pretty straightforward. Like, and then so they get hit with bad, like, the writings on the wall, almost like whoever is in charge of wildcard stock, like, fucking saw this. Like, it's not, this isn't that all that complex of a chart, to be honest. Like, it's very straightforward, actually. Even you have the weekly right here that holds the whole thing down, like the weekly backside. Nothing can break over this weekly backside. He's like, it's even, I don't know. The writing's kind of on the wall with this one, so I don't know. It's tough to say, oh, the writing's on the wall. It should dump from $108 to 30 cents. Like, maybe that's an over exaggeration, but you know, not like this thing was moving up. Like, it had moved up, found its top, much like Bitcoin, right? Moves up, finds its top, and then yoink, fucking gets wrecked off laddering, right? Like, it's not some crazy scenario. Like, it's not, you know, wildcard goes bang. Like, shit was laddering down for what, 2 years? Laddered for 2 years, rejecting levels. Even dailies it couldn't break. So I don't know. Like, this isn't some crazy thing like, oh, they declared bankruptcy, fundamental analysis. No, fuck, this thing was like moving down forever already. Shorts suck. You can only make 100%. Shorts are tougher than longs for sure. Hey, where did the music go? There's like a weird gap. There's no sound. Bots didn't help my science at all. Bots are useless. Crappy. Swarm? What's Swarm? No. Altcoins. You want to know what I think about it? Go here. Nightbot will tell you what to do with that trade. Vitho? Yeah, Vitho's nuts. That's what you mine off Thorchain. Yeah, Vitho's nuts. This is what you can mine off X nodes. I have some X nodes that are mining. Not altcoin. I don't see anything named Swarm. I'm smoking crack. What's the ticker? Am I typing something wrong? What's the ticker? Let's get back to our stocks list. What do you mine Ethereum? No, I have a few X nodes. Etho X nodes. Apex City, yep. I'm gonna play a game of Hearthstone, then try Apex. But I am gonna be playing Diablo starting Friday. 10 a.m. is when Diablo releases on Friday, and possible stream on Friday. No. Sorry, not possible long stream on Friday. There's a stream on Friday, but just possible very long stream on Friday. 23andMe still pulling back. Good. Zomedia is starting to get interesting. Zomedia is coming down to some pretty nutty levels. We're going to probably try to take a spot on Zomedia down around 28 cents. Down and around here if it can hit this and hold, but there might be something else we would be looking at. Yeah, so you can go here, 42. I'm going to go as low as it. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to go right to the bottom of the move on this one. I think Zomedia, this is a little... this one's pretty pretty optimistic, let's say that, but I think this is where I want to be on Zomedia. This is an optimistic trade, let's put it that way. Nice that this isn't breaking down. So this is a higher time frame now, right here. No, I disagree. It's not actually yet. It's an optimistic trade on Zomedia, but if it happens, oh boy, there'll be some pretty good money on that one. Like, this is the routine of an investor. This is what investors should do as a routine. They just have a list of things and they're like, one day I'll invest in this, and then they build their list big enough and you have 500 stocks, and then you cycle in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. Even if you only make, like, NKLA is a good example of that. Like, we bought NKLA back here and we sold right here, and we locked up like 40, almost 50%. I think it was like about 50% profits, and we just waited for this for half a year. We locked up 50% profits on this and walked away, right? Watch those in RNVA, but I didn't have that much money on RNVA. So anyways, you just have a list of like 100 stocks, 2, 3, 4, 500 stocks, and you just cycle in, cycle out. Oh, this level's about to be hit. Looks good. Just go to the next one, right? And like, that's the better way to invest. Instead of trying to find some values in companies, who cares? You can find those values in companies like Plug. So everybody's always talking about Plug. Oh, it's such a company. Let's go look at Plug. Let's go look at Plug. Bitcoin going back, I swear to God. I swear on all that is holy in the fish molies, it better not. Let's go look at Plug. Plug is that stock that everybody's always like, oh, what do you think of Plug? Such good fundamentals. Dude, I remember trading Plug, or helping one of my students trade Plug back when it was like $3, $4, advising on it. Let's go look at Plug. AMC is another one. Everybody's investing in AMC. I don't know why. It's just going to crash. You can have like a long-term investing strategy. GME is holding on by a hair, dude. This thing's about to yoink. Do we pass Plug? I don't think so. But if we did, I'll just type it in manually after. Same with Tesla. Like, you could just buy trend bounces. You could just buy trend bounces, sell inverse levels. Go rebuy another trend bounce. Like, look, here's your level right here. Trend to level. Wow, magic. You know, like, so this is like a better way to invest. This is a much smarter way to do things. And then you could just go rebuy trend. Because all you're doing is eliminating risk and increasing bankroll. Every buy and sell you make, just... Yeah, how many people, I'm sure, are buying Plug like as it's pulling back and it's getting to these levels, and like, look, it ends up turning all the way down to $18 again, and it can go even further. Like, this thing can go down quite a bit still. Like, this thing can go down all the way down here. So what did it hit, a weekly? Yeah, you could have just bought the weekly backside. Like, how simple is this? People are buying Plug in here and they're investing because it'll eventually go up. Why not just wait and have these lists and just buy this? Hell, you could have even just sold the equal weekly and just been like, oh, look, here's your profit, walk away, and then just re-enter later again. And or you could just sit in this if you want. If you really want to be, you know, silly about it, you just sit in this and wait, and you're just like, just wait, see where it goes. What's wrong with just wait, having like a list of like 200 stocks as an investor? There's a weekly backside. There's no magic here. Look, these ones are already all tested. It already tested this weekly backside. Look, this is so simple. I already tested this. This is already tested. And you've got this or this. So could you not have just set a buy here? And even if it breaks this and goes after this, it would just bounce right back to this. So you could just sell, no risk, if you really wanted to take this trade on Plug. And then you could just go weekly to weekly. So I don't know. There's kind of not really it's like, if you want to build your house with mud and sticks, you're welcome to, but there's a smarter way to build a house. I don't know. Investor takes our weird boomer stuff. That's all I'm going to say. SWRM. AppSwarm? What the hell is AppSwarm? I would wait. Hmm. What the hell is this price? What happened to this thing? Wait for it to go here. Your next buy would be right here, which already happened. Yeah, the buy is gone on it. You could wait for it to go right here. A little risky. Monthly backside already hit. Like at this point, if this can't hold the move, it's probably moving down. But like this already hit. Kind of late trade. Or 50% on this. Wow. This is a tough one. Because this doesn't really work, does it? It doesn't. Trend is the only thing you can buy on this. Trend? Question mark? Maybe trend? Maybe trend. I don't know. This is already, like, you already missed a trade, right? Monthly backside, nothing special. So if you're an investor and you were like, oh, they've got such good tech, let's buy here at 146. Yeah, I just got 3 times the stock by just buying a level. You know, like, it's just so like, dude, come on, man. We can be better. Like, we can be so much better. We can be so much better as traders. There's so much opportunity out there to reshape this world any way people want. I'll put that on the list, dude. I'll put it on the list. I think this is a cool chart to watch anyways. We're gonna put it as a red. Right under MNKKQ. That's a hell of a stock ticker, by the way. Just the name. What is this? SWRM? I know nothing about any of these companies. I can fucking nail trades on them like you wouldn't believe. Doesn't mean I'm taking them because you guys are linking stuff like, oh, it just moved, check it out. Well, yeah, it probably hit a pretty crazy level and it did. Right, same thing. But if you had this stuff before and you have your levels marked, like this one just executed today. It's like, it's so crazy, you should check it out. Well, yeah, it's crazy because it hit the right level. Same with Swarm. So I mean, if you guys are watching this stuff before it happens, you mark your levels, take your trades. Like, what's the magic, you know? And then fundamentalists are like, yeah, so it's so crazy, good this and good that. It's like, shut up. 7:35. I don't know. It's looking good. Okay, catching up on chat, playing games. What do I mind? VTHO. I have some X nodes. It's VeChain, Vet, whatever they call it now. Not checking any more stocks. Vodafone, like 2 second. Two-second check. Mr. Trade. Just curious if trying to develop a trading bot helped you in any way. No, definitely not. It did help me in the way to realize bots can never work. Bots can't work. They can give you certain information, but they cannot replace human interaction. Ban. One plays late. Last one in, first one out. That's what she thinks of us. Writing's on the wall. Options for stocks. Yeah, I've considered it. I don't have any time yet, but I will for sure. Yeah, I'm only in NBRV. Yeah, and I'm looking to get into ONTX as well. Actually, I have open orders on a lot of these stocks here, but I just don't really share when. But ONTX, I'm definitely looking to get into. Nabriva, I'm in, but it's just only very small profits right now. I got in at 108, very small profits. I'm just triggering out if the trade collapses. Patriot One, I'd love to get at 40 cents. I know Patriot One is what I'm looking at. Clove I'm also looking at, but I want Clove to break down to a much different level. Clove needs to break down. NVIV I want to get into, but I haven't decided what it's doing yet. So NVIV I think is a little risky still. Maybe at 50 cents. But ONTX, I really like ONTX right now. This is one of my favorites. If ONTX holds like this 410, I think it's going to be really, really good. 23andMe I'd like to get into once it stabilizes a bit. Don't quite think I'm going to. Zomedia looks really good. If it can break its levels, which it looks like it's going to. S4 I'd like to get into. Like I have open orders on a lot of these. A lot of these purples I have open orders on, but that they could be like pretty far away in some cases. Only one I'm in right now is Nebriva, MBRV, and ONTX is probably going to be the next one I enter. Average retail investors are lazy. It's funny because they're lazy and then their income is based on their performance. So they focus more on getting new clients to get small gains instead of taking existing client bases and maximizing their ability to trade. That's where investors get it wrong. And like people who do that investment for other people, they focus on getting their name out there because if I can make 1% for a billion people, it's great. Instead of just taking their existing clientele, making insane amounts of money, and word of mouth would grow them 20 times faster anyways. It's a really disgusting cycle people put themselves in. Yeah, I just take random stocks. People, they say stuff in chat and I just take random stocks. Eventually I'm going to, they have like an option to share your list, public list. I'm going to make my list public in like a few weeks, and then people don't have, they can just copy my list if they want. I don't think they'll get my charts. I think they can just copy my list. So they'll see like what stocks or what. I'm gonna share my list in the future. Just want to add more to it. That's a hell of a short that could possibly come to fruition, but I don't think it's gonna hold the move. So yesterday something happened. Hey, stay with me. Played Hearthstone. Fucking terrible. It was a horrible experience. The game tilts me so much. I hate Hearthstone. I reinstalled it. Played 2 games, got first place in both. We're back in business. Let's go Hearthstone. But one game of Hearthstone, just one, I promise. Then we go Apex. I know everybody hates Hearthstone. I also hate Hearthstone. Terrible. It's a horrible experience. But we're back in business. I played like crap yesterday, to be fair. I knew it. Because it's so good to do video editing while playing Hearthstone. Okay, it's so good because I can do my video editing and I'm just listening to audio and I'm doing, so not video editing, audio editing. I can listen to audio and I can do what I have to do while I play Hearthstone. So I can do all my edits. It doesn't impact my timing at all. And I'll die if I have to sit here and look at waveforms. Just like a waveform file, just audio, like I'll die. I need something. And I can't do anything else because I can't watch videos. I have to listen. Hearthstone, I can turn the volume down to 0. I can do my audio engineering or audio editing like perfectly. And it goes by so fast. It's all of a sudden I'm like, whoa, I just finished 2 videos. That's crazy. Like Hearthstone helps me through tough times, as terrible as it is. Try TFT. MTG. I play MTG in real life. Or I did when I was a kid, and I have a big collection. I don't anymore. You need something when you're doing audio editing. You need something to keep you sane. Audio editing is the most dry, boring thing I can think of doing with my time, but it has to be done. It's like all the butterfly effect videos. There's like no. It's like, so it's just so bad. I know, this is terrible. Hearthstone is literal like, torture. It's terrible. We are playing Apex after this game. We're doing a one-shot. A one-shot on Hearthstone. That's it. There's no bad finishes, second tries. There's one try. That's it. You lie. I know. This is it. This is the moment. I kind of want to buy this, but then I'm on an awkward curve because I can't sell because I do want the triple, but I'm gonna go for a different triple. Spillgate. So that's a new game that's in beta, right? I saw that. It's kind of like Portal meets Battlegrounds, Battle Royale, I believe. Like first person shooter Portal / Battle Royale. Yeah, I saw it. I don't know. I'm more keen to get into Diablo, to be honest. Keen? Who says that? Oh, you know what we didn't look at? Audi had a crazy thing. I want to show you guys something after this, actually. Halo meets Portal. Yeah, there you go. That's a good way to describe it. Bitcoin's ripping. So this is like a crazy good start here. By this, yoink, boost. Yeah, this is such a good start. Scalable. We'll keep 10 out of 10. Okay, actually, we need to go look at something. Audi just released their video on this new car they're releasing, the Sky Sphere. How the hell do I get to this thing? Learn more. This is what the future of cars looks like in Audi's mind. Very cool, by the way. How cool is that? Camera's too high. It's too hot. Fuck off, man. Bye, camera. I would love those rims, by the way. How cool is this? Right? Audi's vision of the future. Good. Isn't this thing neat? Love the rims. Electric engine motor in the back, glass top. I'm assuming these are LED panels that can just darken if you want on the press of a button. You could probably just change this to any color you want. I'm assuming that's what it's going to be. Or you can tint it if you want. It's probably like LED in the back. How amazing is this thing? What a badass concept for the future. And they're actually like It's crazy that the car transforms. Like the hood, it transforms, right? Like that part of it right there. It sucks in and goes longer or shorter. How crazy is that? Maybe I can show you guys where it happens. Yeah, right there. See? It goes shorter or longer. So if you're in like chill cruise mode, it goes longer body. If you're wanting to be like sport drive, the vehicle, the wheel comes out and obviously the body gets shorter. How crazy is that? We're getting rolled in Hearthstone, by the way. We've gotten shit rolls. Nothing. We've got a bunch of triples and nothing to do with them. Isn't that crazy? What a cool vision for the future that Audi has. I really need to win this round. I can't. Oh my fucking god, dude. Of course, Divine Shield's the only unit I don't want it to. What a game, dude. And I hit the Divine Shield, dude. What a fucking game, dude. Oh my god. This is why I don't play Hearthstone. Oh, that's not bad. Oh. $12 HP. Haven't won a round yet this game. I'm getting nothing but garbage. I have to level. Hope to triple. There we go. This is huge. So is that. That's great. Light Fang, I guess, would be best case scenario here. Mama Bear, always. We just go beast this game. Golden this sucker right here. Just pray to stay alive. Get the bird. Trigger. Juice max. Yeah, like we could win with this now, but I need to win a round. I can't keep losing rounds. I almost want to do this because I can't have this Divine Shielded again, but it feels so wrong. I just think 2 rounds in a row gets Divine Shielded. That'd be so. Built for Samus, Samus Aran? You're right, it does. Kira, highest angle I've seen all day. Buy Zodi stock. Wake me up when GTA is back. I've had enough of this. Trust me. You had enough? I've had enough. Like, trust me. Here, I'm gonna put my fan on. I already fixed this camera issue. Okay, I bought a nice Dyson fan for in here. So we have a nice Dyson. Oh, don't hit that one, dude. Come on. Everything that could go wrong is going wrong in this game. And it Divine Shield's the 2 worst units. Oh my god. Everything that can go wrong is. I just pray we win. We're gonna win this. That's good. We're gonna win this one. But like, this is horrible. That's good. Here. Oh, we actually won. Fiendish Servant. I already fixed the camera issue. I just have to wait a week for the Dyson to come in because the Dyson is coming. We're gonna buy this. Let's stay on 4. We're gonna hyper roll for Mega Beasts. We're just gonna go Fat Boy Beast. Just the fattest beasts are gonna appear every roll. It's gonna be beast, beast, beast from here out. No beasts. This is good. This is not good. Actually, that's not good. I need this to trigger this. Yeah, not good. We sell this. Hey, I guess you buy the hyena just because it's a like that's terrible. The grandmother's good. The grandmas are always good. Do you ever buy the hyena? I think you do. As sick as that is this like I'm almost dead. I need to be here, right? Macaw first because like. Do you even buy this thing? I guess you have to, right? Oh, that's so gross, man. I should roll once more, right? Like I can do it. I can do it. And if I get a triple on this, I'm gonna cry because then I have to sell these, and I don't want to sell these. What do you do? I don't know what to do. Sell 2, pray. Sell 2, pray. The prey is real. Okay, good, decent. I'll take it. We should be good. We just want to do that. We're gonna get rid of this crap later. The death rattles. We're gonna try to triple this. We end up getting rid of the selfless as well eventually. Something like this. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. If I just care about the stats. The trigger, I don't care. This is gonna trigger anything anyway. It's gonna summon units and it's all gonna. It's not worth it. This thing needs to get... Oh, of course, dude. Oh, decent. Not bad. Bitcoin's dumping. Ah, so stupid. You got a real hate-love relationship with this. You have no idea how bad it is. I hate it. The moon with Audi? I agree. You'd actually want to drive that? The thing's nice, man. This is a nice car. I think we just level here. Because I do need a better tier of unit. Yeah, like this is perfect. You sell this, keep these. I believe you're supposed to keep these. Although these are kind of falling off. Maybe you just sell the Divine Shield. It's too early to sell the Divine Shield. This thing's pretty useful. What's better here, the Divine Shield or the Beast? I'm pretty sure you keep the Divine Shield. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to sell these. No, because later on in the... You sell this. Because later on in the game, what's going to happen is you're going to need beasts that are high stats that aren't... Like, we need to triple this into... Yeah, this is correct. The summon isn't that important. This into this will trigger this. Yeah, like the Macaw hitting this would be great. If we didn't have this, it would be fantastic. I wonder if we just chance it. Do we just... I think we just risk it, right? 50-50. He goes first. He kills one of these. Then at least we can summon one of these. Yeah, we just risk it. Fuck it. You gotta make big plays to be a big brain gamer, you know what I'm saying? Has a steering wheel, yeah. That thing is sick, absolutely. Looks expensive to fix, yeah. Imagine like a stone chip cracks the glass on one of those things. Demolition Man. The 90s. Oh no! What kind of hit is that, dude? Oh, this is getting bad. This is getting real bad real quick. Things are turning sideways really fast. That was kind of good. That's good. I think we win. I think we win. We win. Yes. Oh, that almost went real bad real quick. No cam for a week. I think you're supposed to take a Mama Bear here again. That's sick, but I think it's correct. This is either ultra low IQ or the highest play I've ever made. Now I think you start selling these because this is just way too many stats. So you can sell two. Do you ever buy this? I think you're supposed to. Yeah, you actually do buy this. Do you sell this one? You actually taunt the mamas, which is stupid, but actually true. You taunt one mama, the golden one, right? Is it too premature? No, you're always keeping the golden mama, so you need something to protect the bird for the procs later. Yeah, this is always right. Look at that. How's that for a sicko build if you didn't have beasts already? I think you're supposed to taunt one mama bear. One mama bear. I mean, you can taunt both. There's no harm. The other one's going away later. This is not staying permanently. You can taunt both. That's fine. Those stats, man. This thing is nuts. Mama bears unite. These guys are crazy. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Just taunt the one. But this is going away anyways. No, I need to keep this. Like, I'm tossing away this mama bear later as soon as I get a triple into Great Wolf. Selfless goes, this mama goes, so the bad mama bear goes, and the selfless goes, because we want the macaw to trigger the Great Wolf. So it's fine to taunt this mama bear, because actually it's just better right now, because we're just getting rid of it anyways, and I have to taunt the other mama bear, because I don't care about the retrigs. I just care about the taunt late game. The retrigs make no difference. Like, they do zero for this, for me. But something has to be taunted. Like, I don't care about the mama bear's HP. I don't care about the buffs on the Iron Hides. They don't matter. Oh, dude. Every Divine Shield sniped, dude. I'm off of it, man. There's no face cam. I know. Camera died. It's too hot. It overheated. I gotta give it like 5 minutes. I'll turn it back on. Don't worry. Okay. We can't level yet. We're not strong enough. We need to triple this. We need more of these. We need to get a Baron. We need Cleaves. There's lots we can use here on this tier still. This is trash. We can just replace it instantly with anything. But we do need to find a beast that's not a death rattle. Casual 7 gold gone so far. One last roll. Here we go. We're going to hit it. Nothing. Not a single beast. That's hype. Oh, there you go. Macaw. 1 gold away. Perfect gold inefficiency. Roll 9, but not 8 and not 10. Perfect. Absolute maxed out on how bad I got rolled here. Would be better to see this on the next roll, or at least a faceless, so I don't have to buy this. Like, I wouldn't even mind a faceless with 1 gold left. Worst unit that I have to freeze for. It would actually be worth selling 2 units, these two, if I got the cleave, or this and this already if I got the cleave, or this and this if I got the cleave. This is the worst unit I could get on the most inefficient gold curve. Perfect. The only unit that's worth freezing for that's amongst the lowest priority of all units on the one turn that I shouldn't get it. Talk about maxed out. It's so stupid. That's good. That's really good. That's like a huge, that's a great. That's fine. Yeah, this guy's getting like yoinked out of his mind. He won't make it. He won't make it to supper. He's gone. Just kidding. Just kidding. He nailed it. 1 and 4. Actually, it's 50-50 for him to not get knocked out there. There's two units he can hit. We're gonna do another full roll useless units. Looking like it. 1 more roll. That's it. Possibly 2. Yep. Here we go. Let's nail the Hydra right now. No. Okay, game. Another Mama. Not worth. Not worth. Triple this. Faceless would be not bad. Like, yeah, I haven't seen any Barons either. Although I don't think I would take a Baron right now. I guess it would be worth it for the selfless, but now with this, not really. BTC breaking? Yeah, I'm watching it on my other screen. Sucks I haven't seen any facelesses this game. That'd be nice, because like I'm just sitting here hoping stats carry me. I mean, it's great that I got a Mama on Reno, but the problem is that I'm not scaling for late game. There's like, I'll get crushed by these guys. Oh, everybody's beast in the lot. Oh, we got another beast player. That's why. He'll crush me. Like I'm gone. I'm dead. There's not. I've already lost, right? Oh, what? Oh, he had. Oh, that's so stupid. What is this unit, man? Actually, I almost lost against this guy. This guy will crush me. Like, he will literally crush me into pieces. Another Mama. A faceless would be fine to get that Mama with a faceless, but I'm not buying a blank Mama. Another one. Jesus. No units. There's nothing here. What do? There's no units. Just a bunch of fucking random Mama Bears, which I don't need. If I had a faceless, I could. I don't know what to say. Well, it's just garbage rolls is like 30 gold in 1 unit. 1 unit and 30 gold now, or 27 rolls or something like that. 2 full 10 turns with nothing, and 1 turn where I rolled 7. 26, because there was 1 turn I froze for 1 gold. So 26 rolls, 1 unit. Like that's rough. I think I got a Macaw as well. So that's another 3 rolls. So 23 rolls, 2 units. Oh, it doesn't matter. I'm out of the game now. Might as well preload Apex. First game ever. You guys are about to witness it. I'll probably die. I won't. I don't even know if I know how to pick up a gun. Yeah. What is this, dude? Fucking. I'm not. Don't even want to. I don't even care what happens. Fuck. Even if I win, I don't care, dude. That's such trash. I'm good. I don't want to see the outcome. I'm fucking good, dude. I don't care, dude. I'm good. I'll change to... I don't know why I changed the talking screen. We don't need to see my face. We need to see a chart. We can't see my face. Camera's off. That's perfect scene. That's why I did it. Going to training grounds? Nah. Training grounds for suckers, dude. It's like every game. Shift is run, slide is crouch. Map is M, tab is weapons. E or F is interact. Scroll wheel to change weapons. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, grenade. Grenade wheels probably hold G. They have special abilities in this game. I'm assuming that's Q, E, Z. Am I about right? Like every game ever. B or P is probably ping, or like hold alt. Alt is probably ping. Space is jump. Hold alt, ping map. Like what do I need to know? I've been doing it for like 13 years, and I was interested in it before I actually started. Aim, shoot, right trigger, ADS, left click, shoot. Yeah. Very good. Let's see if camera's working. So I'm gonna see how Apex feels, but I'm likely just going to be streaming Diablo 2 starting Friday. But I am gonna see how Apex feels. If it feels really, really good, like we're already on season 10. I'm so behind in this game already. This game's already cycling out probably. Right? Am I not right? Put away gun to run faster. How do you do that? It's like knife mode, right? Let's see if camera works. Let's try it. Camera works. Apex is shit? Probably. From what I heard, is like a lot of cheaters. Looking for a game to capture. There we go. What are we doing? What is like arena? We can't play ranked level 10. Just arena, right? This is solo? Sure. Wait, 3v3. Round based. I don't want to do that. No, what? You have to play with somebody? There's no solos? Game already sucks. This is a you can't play solos? Dude, I don't want to play with a squad, man. I'm an anchor. What is this? Is there a way to play solos? Please tell me there is. No way to play solo. Fuck off. Okay. Well, don't queue if you care about your... It's probably unranked MMR because it's not ranked modes. It's probably like unranked hidden MMR. Let's see. How do I mute people? Probably tab. No, tab. Yeah, maybe tab. But tab's probably menu in this game. I think tab is menu from what I saw in the... Oh boy. You can play solo, but against trios. Oh god. So what, do you load into a lobby and like hope that people don't load your team? Oh god, this is terrible. Why am I doing this? You don't like Warzone? Not really. I'm stressed out with games. I'm not stressed out, dude. I'm a very animated, whimsical person, if you can't tell. Fill teammates on the left? Where? Oh, I see it. Don't fill teammates? Yes, good. Do we have to cancel requeue? Probably, right? Duos, fill teammates. Yes, go ready. I'm definitely not stressed out, man. This is me how I am. I'm a whimsical person. The Irish in me were very... probably we've had so much alcohol sat through our DNA that we don't know how to act normal anymore. From the years and years of potatoes and vodka. Vodka's Russian. What are we drinking? Maybe rum. Potatoes, rum. Yeah, that sounds about right. Beer? The Irish drink beer? That sounds about right. I don't drink beer. I just drink hard alcohol. I don't like beer. I'm not a fan of beer at all. Leave the vodka to us. Well, the problem with the Irish is if we didn't leave something to everybody else, we would drink the world supply dry. Like, it would all be gone. There would be nothing left for everybody else. That's just the reality. This is taking a really long time to find a match. I'm assuming because it's not ranked. People don't really play this crap. Off to a great first impression. Seems like a dead game. Even though viewership is high. Is trios meta or something? Like, am I supposed to rank trios? I'm not playing 3v3 or I'm not playing arenas. I'm not playing arenas, dude. I have no interest in playing arenas in this game. Well, the stupidest thing you could do, play a battle royale and then go play arenas in it. Like, please, what? Might as well just go play Cold War or something. Like, why would you play this game for arena mode? It just doesn't make sense. It's like a weird add-on. Apex weird flex, that's all it seems like. Yeah, I'm searching. It says matchmaking right now. Oh, you guys can't see with my camera. Hold on. Because my camera's covering it. Hold on. Yeah, I'm searching right now. See, I'm searching right now. It's been searching forever. Level 1. How hard is it to match a game with a level 1? Dude, like... S&P futures probably by 1, I think it is, or God, I can't remember. SPY1 maybe. This is crazy. What's with this queue time? Should we try trios? Trios is meta? Okay. Nobody plays duos? That makes sense. Okay, let's try. Built. So I'm gonna be solo against, let's try just regular. This is like, I'm gonna get, I don't like 3 teams of 3. So people are probably party stacking. I'm assuming not everybody's party stacking, but yes, yeah, there you go. A duo sucks. Okay. I just want to get into a game. Trios is better? Yeah, I could see that. Although I really like duos in PUBG. Like, if PUBG wasn't overrun by farming bots, I would probably just play PUBG. I love PUBG. I'm really good at PUBG too. I used to like get chicken dinners daily, like multiple chicken dinners. I love PUBG. I'm just so out. Like, I haven't played in years. Like, I played it when it first came out. I haven't played in years. I know I filled teammates. I figured I would maybe get queued with somebody who's a duo trying to find a third. Because I don't want to go solo into trios, but if it's the only way I can play the game, I guess I don't have a choice. I do miss PUBG a lot. I used to get like constant high finishes in PUBG. Yeah, I'm about to quit this game. This fucking game is dead. I can't even find a match. I have, yeah. Well, how do you want to install Apex? Fucking game's dead. I can't even find a game. I don't have patience to wait for that. Back to Hearthstone. Jesus, what is this stream turning into? One more game of Hearthstone, I guess. Wait 1 minute. It's been like 5 minutes. What do you mean? I tried duos, trios. Like, it shouldn't take this long. The game's dead. Season 10. Fucking White Walker Central, dude. Game of Thrones edition. Nobody's on the server, dude. What am I supposed to do? I'm level 1. I can't find a game. I'm done. What am I supposed to do? It's... Game won't load anything for me. Everybody's on the other side of the wall, dude. I'm level 1. I can't play ranked. Let's select a different server. I shouldn't have to. It's probably optimized to my ping. I don't want to play high ping because I can't find people. Dude, the game's dead. Apex player base. Let's see. Let's see if I was right about this game being dead. Team charts, Apex. No, it's not a dead game. I don't know. It's kind of dead actually for a new season launch. 285 concurrent, kind of dead. It's not like dead, but I don't know. That definitely looks like it's declining a lot. I should be able to find a game right now. Hearthstone's broken, dude. Like I'm not meant to game today. I'm just trying to play a game, man. Like, okay, well Hearthstone's frozen. I guess back to Apex. This is like an actual shit show. This is what when you want to see like live stream fails. This is it happening right now. Can't play Apex. Hearthstone's freezing. I'm so triggered. I don't know why is this happening to me. Like, what did I do? I just want to play a game. Soon we're gonna have to boot up like Warzone. I haven't played Warzone since it came out, and I don't want to play Warzone. Okay, let's try this again. FPS browser game? Oh, yeah, I know which game you're talking about. It's like CS on browser. Try this again. Trios, right? Is there like server selection? Try again. No fill. Like I want to be on a team. You don't want to queue with me. You definitely don't want to queue with me. I've never played this game. It's gonna be bad. I have never played this game a day in my life. It's not gonna be a good experience for anybody who's queuing with me. I'll just try to fill teammates. Unfortunately, I'll be the anchor to somebody else. Is there server settings somewhere? Let me check. Let me check if I have like server settings. I don't know if it like reveals IP or anything. So although it doesn't matter because I use a VPN behind a. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Is there a way to change servers? How do you change server? Somebody guide me through. News, no. I don't see any like networking buttons. Crossplay is enabled. That's fine. It'll get me more people. There's no network in the settings. Tarkov, too many hackers in that game. Way too many hackers. That game is way too punishing. I love Tarkov. I love Tarkov so much. Escape bottom. Bottom corner. Bottom center. Yeah, but I can't change it. It just says where I am. 27 MS in the server I'm on. Connecting to match. There we go. See, we just had to have patience. I told you guys, you just need to wait. You guys are so impatient trying to force it. You just gotta wait. Okay, what am I supposed to do here? This is gonna be bad. Okay, who do I take? What's good? Combat medic. Oh, okay. Well, I guess I don't have a choice. What am I? Bloodhound? I don't even know what this is. I'm lifeline. I'm the medic. I don't want to be a medic. Well, no one's getting healed. I promise everybody that. These guys are like, yeah, this is not a good look right now when you see a medic who doesn't pick defaults medic level 1. This is not a good look. My team's probably expecting to get last. A wall hacks on Bloodhound? I love wall hacks. Okay, how do you look? Okay, I'm just gonna follow them. That's where we're going? Okay. E? Hold E to stop following. I'll just follow. Dude, I don't know what I'm doing. I'll just follow. Is there a button to hopefully I don't die? Do you release parachute? Is there a button? What do you do? Okay. Am I supposed to like press something? Crouch a slide, okay. E open. Shields, whatever this is. What is this? A throwing star? A grenade? That's something I can open. It's not. Okay, I got a gun. What is this? Is this throwing shield any good? This throwing star? I don't know what I'm picking up. It seems good. Yep. Okay, don't I have a weapon already? Because you can only have 2 weapons in this game, right? Okay, what do we do? Am I supposed to do something here? Pistol good, or is what do I have, an SMG? This looks like SMG. Yoink his shit. Yoink his shit. Take it all. I don't care. I don't know what it is. I don't know what I have. Okay, I got sights, a stock. Okay, what is all this crap? Okay, heals, grenades. Scope? I think I took a sniper scope. Oh, fuck you. I don't care. I don't know what I'm doing. I got pistol, right? How's this pistol? It's orange. Is that good? Is a pistol good? What gun do I use? You guys tell me. Pistol or this SMG? And G is grenade, right? I'm thinking this pistol is better than the grenade, right? Respawn? Okay, so if they die, I can respawn them if I pick up their card. I think that's the way this game works, right? It's a shotgun. I have a shotgun? Well, we're not using this. That's not a shotgun, dude. You're on crack, dude. That's not a shotgun. It has 20 rounds in it. What is it, like an auto shotty with a... That's not a shotgun. It's a guarantee that's like an SMG or something. So, what do? Like, hold crouch to long slide? Okay, so you like jump slide. Okay, you hold crouch, that's like a long slide. Mozambique is a shotgun. This is a shotgun? It's got a picture of a pistol. It's not a shotgun, dude. That or the artists in this game don't know what they're doing. What do you mean it's a shotgun? That... Is it red? Like the... Is it like higher quality? Is this red? Is that what I'm seeing? It's a higher quality shotgun because it's red? Or is that just me? Dude, I don't know about this game. Okay, you can ADS while doing that? Okay. But it slows you down? It stops your... Like, I'm not a shitter at first-person shooters. I'm actually a really good first-person shooter player. There's something over there, like... Oh, is that zone? Zone top left. What is that? Red is shotgun. Red is shotgun ammo. Just on hop-ups. Stream laggy? I hope not. For me, it's crisp. Is like double jumping in this game or anything? My Halo jetpacks? No? Yep. Evo shield. What is this? A scout? I think I kind of want the scout, right? Nah. Do I want the scout? What do I want? The scout or my SMG? What's better? It's laggy. I gotta check settings. What's better, guys? The scout? One taps? Huh? Scout is good? Okay, we got it. Hostile spotted where? Behind me? There? What is this? Is that what they're saying? Hostiles here? He's behind wall? Okay, so he wall hacks. Okay, that's the wall hacks that you guys are talking about. I got shotgun, so I can rush these guys, right? This is a shotgun. I'm trusting you guys. There's 2. Where's my team? I'm down 1. Oh, not bad. I think you got the worst shotgun? This is painful to watch. Probably, dude. I've never played this game before. I mean, I did better than those guys. At least I downed somebody. I think you got the worst shotgun. Damage dealt. Damage dealt. Kills. At least I got a kill. What's this guy doing? Not bad, pretty terrible. Painful because of the lag. Let me check my settings. Hold on. I don't think I have any dropped frames. I do have dropped frames. Good first one. Kind of fun. Kind of fun. I think I need to get used to the controls. I think my sense is pretty high. I'm not used to like seeing. Shouldn't I have just grenaded those guys? Can I kill them all? Like if I just chuck grenades in there? I hit that one guy with a grenade for 100. So you guys are gonna have lag because I actually have to restart the stream. Leave match, yeah. Right? Match is over. Best pistol is Wingman. Okay. A Wingman is good. Okay, level 2. Look at this. No longer pleb. Or the in-game settings? Oh, good call. I'm not having no, it's not the in-game settings. It's frame rate. Well, okay, it could be then. Fine. Is there just like a one hit? Let's go medium. Is okay. So there's always ways to optimize settings. What do you turn down? Probably effects, I'm assuming. Ragdolls can be off, right? Like it doesn't matter. Ragdoll, like that's when they die, right? Physically accurate dead body animations are. Who gives a shit? What? Blue is 2 shields, purple is 3, gold is max. Okay, oh cool. VSync should be off. Yeah, VSync will actually cause screen tear here. Where's VSync? More detail medium. Effects detail, this one? Model detail, not model detail medium. Okay. What is this one Apex pack? Oh, loot! I got loot! Look at that, legendary first roll. Okay, cool. Is that a good skin? I don't know. Looks dope. Yeah, sounds good. Equip it. Red armor with 5 shields. Hog legendary, good skin. Good skin. Nice. Oh, it's a decent skin. Plague Doctor is pretty dope. I like the black. This is pretty neat. No, actually, I don't like that at all. Runekeeper, Imperial, Plague, Royal. It's pretty good. I think I like the all black better, but it's like the second best, I guess. I'm not gonna lie, I do like this. I do like the blue. It's fine. Whatever. Use Bloodhound? Who's Bloodhound? That's yeah, okay. What is he? Wall hacks? Okay. I guess I have to pick him quick, right? Because people yoink him. Wall hack on Q? Okay. How often do you get wall hacks? People want to play Seer? What is a Seer? Is that the one that teleports? I think I've seen that one. Opens like a teleporter. 20 seconds? Oh, cool. You can use it over and over. Do you get it naturally? He's got 433 kills with 30 wins. Is that good? I don't know. Seer has wall hack too. I think my sense is pretty high in this game. It feels very high. See if we have any drop frames now. Launch? Am I supposed to launch with team? Yeah. Oh, I'm the team. Oh, why am I squad leader? What is it? Alt or something? Spacebar to ping? I don't know where we're going. We'll go down there. That sounds good, dude. So I'm the one controlling it? Why? Why me? Dude, I'm the jump master? Shit, he's already in here? What the fuck is he shooting at me for, dude? What is this? Backpack, right? So what is this thing? Rampages. This is like an LMG, right? There's someone in there. Four, I believe, is med pack. Do I have med packs? Do I need med? No, I don't even need med, dude. Wait, I don't care about that. There's like tons of people around here. Where'd this other guy go? What is this? I don't know what this is. Is this stuff good? I don't know. Arrow bolts? Okay, where's his teammate? How do I put shields up? Shit, where's my team? Dude, like, where's my team? What are they doing? What are they doing, dude? I down them, make sure they die. Yeah, there's so many around, though. Dude, where's my fucking team, man? My aim is so rusty, though. Like, my aim. I didn't know I was being shot from behind either. That kind of was kind of bad on me. I need my... So, like, I need to be wearing this if I'm playing and not using my speakers, because I can't tell where anything is. You gotta play a lot, yeah. Game is hard. Game's sure it's not that hard. Gotta be a good gamer. So is my team dead? Or can they revive me? My team's dead, right? Like that's what this is? Dead, dead, dead. Yeah. Otherwise I'd be spectating them. Do I get another crate? Do I get another box? You get more loot boxes? Stupid game. Give me loot boxes, man. Complete rewards? Yeah, I don't care. That was actually really good. My sense is so high. I've got to change that. My sense is terrible. Do like 3.6. Wait, what? Can't just manually enter? 3.6. We'll try that. I like my DPI and everything where it is. Because I'm all over the place. I'm really swingy. And I'm a wrist player, so I don't need mega sense. I'm a wrist player. I need low... I need high sense, but not too high. I'm not a wrist player, so I don't like have that fluidity. Yeah. Damn, you are so good. No, I'm not. I'm terrible at this game. You guys are being kind. I'm terrible at this game. There's people in this game who are so good. If I get like 10 or 20 kills a game, then I'm good. Until then, it's like, no. Okay, what are you guys saying about jumping? And the second team. Sierra's wall hack. How was the leg? Do we have any drop frames there? Your jump master. Okay, so jump master. Okay, so I control where we go. Okay. You can change it. Red grenade, have special ammo. You can shoot 4 dots, 5 dots. Oh, nice. You down them, make sure they die. Game is hard. Aim was fine. Aim was not fine. I missed way too many shots. Way too many shots. Is Bitcoin actually dumping off this stupid level that we had earlier? Stabilize around 46.2. If it is going to stabilize. I'll definitely be looking to get into another long. I don't think this is done, but we can go right to the bottom of the range right now, which appears to be 46 flat-ish. Let me take a look. Yeah, 46 flat. Like 46.20. 46.30. 4630 and we start to snap if we hold. So I'll look at 4630. I'm keeping my other monitor open. If I get in a trade, I'll go there. Or I'd be exiting my short. That's how I gauge it. Oh shit, I gotta pick. That's how I'm gauging it, right? 45.9. If you're not taking 46 flat, you should be taking 45.6. 45.6 would be a smart trade if it can pull back that far. But this could definitely stabilize at 46.2 as well. Like it can stabilize now at 46.2. It can go down to 46.30. It can go down to 45.6. Fortnite guy, like that's those guys' names. Okay. It's good to inform your team as much as possible. I don't want to talk to them. Who's the jump master and how can you tell? Am I the jump master again, dude? How do you tell? Oh no, he probably that icon above that freed joystick's name, that little icon with wings. I'm assuming that's the jump master, right? Like I can't do shit. Okay, sounds good. Good to inform your teammate as much as like pings. Are you talking about using actual talking to them? Because I don't want to talk to them. Any advantage to like bunny hopping or jumping in this game? What is this? Volt Wingman. This is that good pistol. Okay. I don't know what any of this stuff is. Does it auto equip? What is this, like a scout, this Volt? Doesn't seem like there's anybody here. We have shields already? What is this? Extended mag? What is that for, that extended mag? The Wingman? That's good, right? What's that? Shield? E-swap? Oh shit. I gotta swap something, right? My inventory's full. Someone shooting at me? What is this? Oh, that thing sucks. This is grenade? How do you use shields? Fuck, I got a shield there, but I can't get it. Gotta go help teammate. No grenades left? Okay, hype. Where's teammate? Up there? Dead. That's the best shotgun though. Cue them now. Wall hack. Very good gun close up. Don't forget to use Q. Shotgun. Headphones are pretty much required. Yeah, I can't hear shit. I don't know where anybody is. Oh, this guy's decent. He's ripping them. I don't know. With enough practice, I think I'd be okay. This game seems pretty straightforward. Dude, like that's it though. All the teammates are dead, right? Wait, don't you just like... Yeah. Loot shield battery. I'm picking up way too much garbage that I don't need. Because then I was like, shield. So shield battery, I'm assuming you use that to refresh shields, like health pack for shields, right? It's so sweaty. What's so sweaty? Don't overping, it's too sweaty. Okay. I'll play one more game. We get pack? Okay, pack. Yes. Trash. I don't even care what's in this. Blues, don't care. Get me out of there. Doesn't matter. It's not orange, I don't care. Bats heal full shields and cells heal 1 bar of shields. Oh, okay. So was that a bat that I saw? The big one? That's a bat? What does that star do that I had? It queued up with a grenade key, so it's under grenades. What does it do? Is it a one tap? Like, is that... Does it go straight? Is it like a straight, like a bullet? Does it have an arc to it? What does it do? It's a sticky grenade? So it's a proc? It's a sticky procs? Okay. Do you have to trigger it, or is it like proximity? My CPA niece just called me to inform me that I'm not in my old tax bracket anymore. Thank you for this. You're welcome. I don't know if that's a good thing. Now you're making too much money. You're going to pay all the more taxes. I don't know if that's a good thing, dude, but you're welcome nonetheless. That's incredible, man. I mean, this is a good thing. It means you're making more money. That's good, man. Congrats, Liquid. The skin on the first one. I don't know. Is it a good skin? Once you understand the macro, you'll be all right. Yeah, like the meta of the game. Yeah. Already, like I've got good aim from other first-person shooters. It's not an aim thing. It's just like understanding the meta of the game, when to peek, how to peek, where to crouch, how to move. Like movement in games is so crucial. It's like more important than aim probably. Like actually understanding map, mini map, and movement. It's more the movement. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, for sure. Absolutely. I'm the jump master. Oh god, where are we going? Where's a good spot? Over there? I don't know. How do I even ping? No, fuck it. Let's just go out there. Where do we go there? Let's go there. Let's go there. Yeah, fuck it. We're going there. Can we go over these mountains? I think we can, right? Okay, they don't have a choice. I get to pick where we go. That's hype. Dude, can these other guys, like, not? No. We'll beat them. We can get the main loot. That looks like shitty loot. This looks like main loot. Right? This is like main loot. Look at these loot boxes here. Look at these mega packs. Give me the gun, dude. You got a gun. Don't be greedy, man. Fucking yoinked my lotto. I don't want the gun. Just the ammo for it. That's so bad. What am I doing, dude? I'm like basically hurting my team by doing this. What is this? What gun is this? This doesn't look smart. I'm pretty sure I just took that guy's... I don't know what that is. I got it though. Pretty sure I took that guy's... I'm pretty sure I took that guy's ammo, dude. I yoinked his ammo, he took the gun. That's so stupid. And it's in taking up inventory space. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm brand new. Leave me alone. Left alt shield battery, right? Okay, so I do have a shield battery. Who's shooting at me? Is he on top? Dude, who the... Oh, that guy yoinked the fuck out of me. Dude, he's hiding up there, man. That's the medic's ability, right? I gotta get the hell out of here because there's like people there. I see you. I don't think he sees me yet. Oh, I got a scout. I downed the one. Oh, bye-bye. Wall hack Q. Yeah, I forget these things. It's too much. Cool game, run fast. Nice try. It's probably my fault we lost because like I thought I downed that guy. No? Okay, anyways, that's enough for me. I'm done. Fun game. I'll get more into it tomorrow maybe. You just sow footprints. What does that mean? Go near coastless people. Pay attention near for mountain Euro drop. I mean, they could leave, but that's probably not going to be a good idea. I'd rather pay my taxes. I want to share the fate of a late John McAfee. When you get shot, Q. Oh, smart, dude. Smart. Actually smart. Yes. Get hit, insta Q. Should be like natural reaction. See where they're peeking me from. Yes, because I wasn't sure. And then he shot me from top, right? Okay, I think that's it for the stream. Just get cracked and play Fortnite? Nah, dude. I'm going to be more playing Diablo. I just want to have some fun in Apex today, try it out. Maybe I'll play more tomorrow. Maybe I'll get serious about it. But I'm probably going to be playing a lot of Diablo 2 when it comes out on Friday. I'm going to be streaming Diablo 2. It's going to be a late stream starting at 9 9:30ish. Start at 9:30. I believe it goes live at 10 a.m. I'm gonna double check today, and I'm probably gonna do a pretty long stream on Friday to play some Diablo. So great stream. You guys know where I'm looking for my next trades. I already talked about them not too long ago. So shame we didn't take 46.35, but I don't think it's that much profits yet. It's 1% so far, so it's nothing debilitating to miss. Not a huge deal, but yeah, I'll be looking to probably long to try to break the move. Anyways, see you guys later. Thanks for coming today, and we'll be back tomorrow.